channel, and today I'm going to share with you a date night dinner or breakfast idea. We are going to use healthy ingredients, and it can also be gluten free depending on the type of bread that you use, and it can also be dairy free depending on your choice of milk that you prefer. And the best part is it's going to be really quick so that you don't need to spend your entire time in the kitchen cooking. For the entree, we are going to be making French toast with maple syrup and some strawberries. And now comes the dessert part. For the dessert, I prefer to keep it simple by cutting a few fruits in heart shape symbolizing love. And I prefer to use a watermelon and pineapple so that it gives me the contrast between the colors.